Hi, it's your local internet auntie, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a cracked nail. All you need is some super glue, tweezers, a buffing board, 1-ply tissue, break it into small little pieces, like mini chocolate chip size. We use food as an example on this page. Anyways, isn't it so annoying when you grow out your nails and then one of them cracks? It happens to me because I'm so clumsy and I keep smashing my nails into things. Why am I like this? I don't know. So you're just going to apply your glue, then you're going to take your small little tissue piece, pop it onto your nail where the nail is cracked, and then smooth it out. And then you're going to repeat this process like 3 or 4 times. So you're going to apply your glue, pop on your tissue, smooth it out, apply your glue, pop on your tissue, smooth it out, and it's going to look horrible. Like, it's gonna look like a mess. But you're gonna wait until your glue, tissue, paper mache is fully dry, and then you're gonna buff, and then you're gonna apply some oil. I'm just using my Farsali volcanic elixir, and as soon as you apply your oil and moisturize your nails, you're not even going to be able to see the tissue. Like, it's gonna look like your nail. The key to healthy nails is to moisturize them, just like you moisturize your skin. So if you guys want to see a video on how I take care of my nails and grow them long and the supplements that I take, etc., let me know and I can do that for you guys. But the biggest tip that I can give you is moisturize. Like, look at this. You can't even tell the tissue's on there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a like. Let me know if you want some more quick tips in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!